Wenzhou Weipai Machinery Company Limited was located in Wenzhou as comprehensive manufacturing and trading company. We have been a non-woven relevant type of machine and are specialized in producing all kinds of automatic facial mask packing machine, face mask folding machine, face mask filling machine, wet tissue packing machine, alcohol pad packing machine. We are famous for stable quality, competitive prices, exquisite craftworks, safe package, and prompt delivery. Therefore, we can fully satisfy your demands and have a large customer base. Our products sell well in many countries in Southeast Asia, Eastern Asia, and Eastern Europe. Except our own products, we provide OEM services and accept customized order as well. We have developed designs for our customer in Russia, Thailand, Mexico, South Korea, and Indonesia. Our products are popular in overseas markets, and they also have got CE certificate. We will supply more products with diversified designs and professional services. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiries soon.